For me, design thinking is a very iterative approach, and for me it's kind of the basics for innovation, because it's a problem-solving approach helping to find new, innovative and impactful solutions. So design thinking is for me not just a tool, but it's more about a mindset actually. So if you want to start implementing design thinking in your company tomorrow, you have to start with build the right culture, and then you can really start to also think about the process. I give you one example, the possibility to fail. So of course it's easy to say, but I think to implement it in a company is so much harder because we are not trained to it. But design thinking is different. You have really to accept that you try something and it will fail maybe. And you have to see this process like a learning process. I prefer talking about design doing because it's not something that's only in your mind. You're just asking the question and discussing. You really do something. You go out of the building, you ask people what is your problem and to try to understand it. But for me, important is to have a fourth circle in it, which is about sustainability. Because if you think about innovative products and you have the three circles of viability, desirability and feasibility, you don't take into account if this product is really sustainable. If you want to have a sustainable product, you have to think about the economic impact, the societal impact and the environmental impact. And for me, this is a dimension which is often missing in innovative solution created with the design thinking approach. Design thinking is a good approach actually to be disruptive, and the sustainability component can be seen as a big constraint. But as you might know, you have a lot of constraints fosters you to be even more innovative. So for me it's even more a challenge that helps you to be even more creative, to find more sustainable, innovative solution with a real impact. For me it's important also to have the systemic view on problems. Because if we talk about complex problems in the unknown space, like we said earlier, and if we try to find disruptive solutions for these big problems, you need also to zoom out and to see the bigger picture, and not only focusing on one problem and try to solve it, but you have also to see the ecosystem around. And if I put in place a solution here, it might have impact on other fields. And so you have to also see systemic view on all the different problems around your problem you want to solve, to have really an impactful solution at the end.